एक वो है, दूसरा है एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स। एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स में अभी और माल है, वो अभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, इसीलिए इस दबाव में आकर एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स में जो है, जो पूरा देश जानना चाहता है, मगर अभी अमेरिका ने रिलीज नहीं किया है। और आप ये बात समझ लो, देश ये समझ ले कि प्रधानमंत्री कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है।
The Prime Minister has never met Mr. Epstein. The Prime Minister has never interacted with Mr. Epstein. Mr. Epstein is in conversation with somebody who turns around and says, Modi is on board. So Epstein tells Steve Bannon, Modi is on board. Did you ask Mr. Modi? The visit to Israel is the one thing they're talking about, I think it's 2017. And the MEA has issued a clear-cut statement trashing what is in the Epstein file. Okay, now the Prime Minister has nothing to do with it. Prime Minister of India, elected in May 2014. Okay, he's transformed the country, doesn't appear anywhere in Epstein files except in the young leader of opposition's fertile imagination and those nutcases who provide him inputs and get him into trouble periodically. Sometimes the Brazilian model, sometimes tearing an ordinance. Let's leave that aside. Then you come to an industrialist. His name is there. And why has he not been arrested? That man is under investigation for acts of omission or commission committed in India. What have the Epstein files which are there got to do with it? If there's some references, let that man deal with it. Why are you bringing it up in Parliament? All right, you do that. I'm not defending.